You can contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in description. You can. So we start our project today. We do this project. Project name. Assignment name is EXP22 World Chapter 2 HOE Studio. It's second chapter of the world. So this project title, assignment name, which I highlighted. Now we highlighted the project description. Having a recently opened your own photography studio, you are engaged in marketing the business, or you have prepared a rough draft of a newsletter describing photography basic, a document that must be formatted and properly organized before it is distributed to people on your mailing list. You will modify the document to ensure attractive line and paragraph spacing, and you will format the text to draw attention to pertinent points. You will also make appropriate use of color, border, picture, and graphics. It's also project description. You can get my services for good grades. I can get A plus grade for you. I perform valuable work for you. You can contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in description. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share link of my video. So I start first step of project assignment. Start our Start world. I already start the world. Okay. Download and open the file name EXP22 World Chapter 2 HO Studio Docs. Okay, I already downloaded this. Here, you see. Now, at the beginning of the file name, I already put it this. And ensure that non-printing character or display. Okay, non-printing characters or display. Now we move to our step number 1 is completed already. Now we move to our next step. Our next step is step number 2. Our step number 2 is we highlighted the step number 2. Select all text in the document. Change the fonts. Okay. Select all text. So we selected all text by Control A. We press Control A, select all text of the document. Then change the font size 12 pt. Okay. We change the font size is 12 pt. Now, and Times New Roman. Okay, Times New Roman. It's fine. Selected the Times New Roman. Okay, we are ready. This then italicized the second line. Okay, so we second line. So we do this. And write the word epoxy in the paragraph below the camera body. Okay. So we move this paragraph camera body. and the word boxy. So we do this. Our step number 2 is completed now. Now we move to our step number 3. Step number 3 is select the 5 paragraph on page 1. Step number 5 is select the 5 paragraph on page 1 beginning with select the 5 paragraph on page 1 beginning with compose with care ending with be bold. Okay, so we selected these 5 paragraph. Compare with compose with care and be bold. We selected this and we click and press the dialog box launcher in the font group on the home tab and apply bold formatting with the text selected and apply small cap. Okay, so we go to home tab and be bold and apply small caps. Okay, you use this small caps. Our step number 3 is now completed. Now we move to our next step. Our next step is step number 4. Our step number 4 is scroll the end of the document and select the last paragraph in the document and let's flip it. Palace Studio helps photography preserve your memories. Click and place that effect and typography in the font group. Select fill instant color 5 outline white background hard shadow. So and change the font size of selected text. Okay. He says at the end of document. So we move to end of the document and select the line this. Apply text effect is row 3 column 3. Okay, so we apply this text 3 and column 3. So we apply text effect. No, free font change again. Row 3 column 3. Okay, so we apply text effect is this text effect we apply on here. Our step number 4 is completed. Now and change the font size. Sorry, we change the font size. Forget the font size changing. So we change the font size 16. Now our step number 4 is completed. Now we move to our next step. Our next step is select the second paragraph. Oh sorry, fast highlighted this. Select the second paragraph, courtesy of Philips Studio L Photography. Change the font color blue is darker 25. Select the word you should consider how to become photographer under the composition heading. Change the text highlight color to yellow. So our step number 5 is select the second paragraph. So change the font color blue instant 5 darker 15. So we move to our second paragraph. Second paragraph is here. Now we change this font color is darker. Darker 25, no changes. And then next one, select the words you should consider how to become a photographer in the paragraph of position heading and highlight this yellow color. Okay, so we move to composition heading, land the composition heading. Okay, You should consider how to become a better photographer. We highlight this with yellow color. So okay, our step number 5 is completed. Now we move to our step number 5. 6. Step number 6 is checks for spelling and grammatical error. Correct all suggested spelling and grammatical error by ignore any different flags. Okay, so we check this word. I highlighted this refinement flags. So but ignore any. So we ignore this. Check the spelling. Okay, and correct all suggested and grammatical error. Okay, so we check also grammatical error. Check grammatical error. We change all. It's a limit, so ignore this. So we update all spelling and grammatical errors. So our step number 6 is completed. Now we move to our next step. Now our next step is step number 7. Step number 7 is select the most of the documents beginning with the sentence. If you enjoy taking digital picture and ending with the motion expressed before even change the spacing, apply, justify alignment. Select the most of the document beginnings if you enjoy taking digital picture and okay. If you enjoy taking picture and selected here. So change the line spacing 1.5. Okay, so we change this line spacing is here. Line spacing is here 1.5, and now change the lines and justify alignment selected as okay. So selected as saving justify alignment. Okay, and adjust paragraph spacing after 6 pt. Okay, paragraph spacing after paragraph spacing is 6 pt. So we put here 6. So our step number 7 is completed. Now we move to our next step. Our next step number 8. So in step number 8, he says insert a register symbol after the second line of the document courtesy of Phillips Students and Photography. Insert a symbol, registered symbol. So after the second line, so we click here, then go to single symbols, special characters, registered symbol, insert here. Okay, then right line the second line of, okay, center the, so the symbol should be of the same line. So okay, so right line to the second line of the document, center the last line of the document. Okay, we move to our last line of the assignment project document and center it. So our step number is now completed. If you want complete solution of this assignment, contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in description, or complete course deal. You can contact my WhatsApp number and Gmail given in description. You can get good grade from me. I can perform good work for you. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and share my video links. Bye.